Folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Saturday, March 2nd, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. I want to show you in this video my 30-day results with GreatLife Worldwide and the tools that I'm using to help me build my GreatLife Worldwide business. So I'm just going to log into my office, my back office right here, and show you that in February, I had 17 personal referrals. So now I have 17 distributors under me. Our team has a total of 50 distributors so far. I've earned $533 in commissions. You can see that I started here back on February 1st, and I joined around 11:20 p.m. I signed 3 people up before midnight, and I was paid the very next day. You can see right here on February 2nd, I was paid $65. The following week, I was paid $223, followed by 70, followed by 61. This past week, I was paid 64, and then I got a $50 bonus here. I don't know if you can read this, but it's tied for third place for the February 2024 recruiting contest. So I tied with Mark Seamus. We both came in third. We both had 17 personal referrals. So that equals 533. Now this doesn't count our matrix pay and our coded bonuses for product purchases. So this is going to be well over $600 that I made in my first month. The monthly pay doesn't come out until March 15th. So, but you can see here that I am coded platinum. That's my rank, platinum. And last month we had a total group volume of 660 points. You can see my first, second, third, and fourth levels are completely filled. And we have people all the way down on our 8th level now. So this is just going to continue to grow, folks. And I'm loving everything about it so far. The owner's really nice. I've talked to him several times. There's a lot of cool things they have in the pipeline. They're very transparent. Crypto is going to be coming out here. You can already get paid out in crypto, but they're going to be adding to where people can pay to join in crypto, which is going to open up all different kinds of markets across the world. And yeah, so I'm very happy with this company so far. Now you can see over here, and I did a video about mass pay, but they use mass pay. And I just received this $50 yesterday for the contest we had. And once you come in here, once you get paid or you earn commissions, you're going to get an email from the company. And basically it's going to allow you to set this up, which is super easy to set up. I have this to transfer over to my checking account. And all you do is click on transfer, the amount you want transferred. And it'll show you the services available. All right, I always just do next day bank deposit. You pay a $1 fee. You can have same day bank deposit if you want to pay $2. Next day bank deposit. All right, it has all of my bank routing number, my account number. I just click next. Then I'm going to receive $49. And I just click finish. All right, my payment has been processed. Then I go back to my emails. I'll refresh this. Well, and you'll see, I'll show you here before the video's over, I'll show you that I'll get an email here saying that the money's on its way to my bank. So it's super easy to use. And all I'm doing is I am using business cards. Okay, you can get a cheap business card made at vistaprint.com. I have joinrust.com, and it just has my name and my email address on here. And then wherever I go, I'm just handing these out, pinning them up on boards. You can leave them with your tip at a restaurant. Basically, you can leave them anywhere. You can drop them on the floor of different places, leave them on the counters. That's one way that I'm getting eyeballs onto my website or my GreatLife capture page. All right, I also use my Facebook page, and you can see I have joinruss.com here. I keep everything positive on here. Like today we went for a drive. This is the picture we took here. All right, then I use my lead gen secret. And you can go to 100leadseveryday.com. Watch this video here. Learn how you can get 100 leads every day for $1 a day. If you refer somebody to this program, they're going to up this to 200 leads every day. And the cool thing is you can email these leads one time every 24 hours. All right, so watch this video, then click Join MLGS. I also use multiple income funnel. You can go to watchmifvideo.com. Come and watch this. This is a 20-minute video, but it's really well done. You can join this for $49 a month. And then there's several different income streams within this funnel system, okay? Now, I just joined this past week. I earned $298.48 with this system already, just by having this system in place, all while building GreatLife Worldwide. So not only does it help me build GLW, there's also other income streams in here where I'm making money from. All right, and that's all that I'm doing. And of course, I make YouTube videos and I do lives on Facebook and YouTube. And that's all that I'm doing to share this opportunity and getting a minimum of 2 people every day to come over to my tour page. When you visit joinruss.com, this is where you're going to go. You're going to watch this 4-minute, 51-second video. Put your first and last name in here with your email. Click Take the Free Tour. And that is how I'm building this business. All right. So I'm really happy with my results so far. I'm looking forward to what March is going to bring. I know that these commissions are just going to keep going up. But I'm very happy with the 533 this month, or in February, in my first 30 days. And I'm looking forward to the next month and the next 6 months and the next year and the next several years with this company. So if you have any questions about any of this, please get in touch with me. You can leave a comment below that I'll get back to you as soon as possible. You can also find me on Facebook. And if you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot and I greatly appreciate it. And I'd love to work with you. So go to joinruss.com, watch the video. I have the links for all the other tools that I use in conjunction with this to help grow my business and to add additional streams of income. So that's it for this video. I hope you, oh, actually, one more thing before I go. Let me see if this email came in. Yes, right here it is. Your transfer was sent to your bank. All right, so you can see that. Your transfer of $49 was sent to next day bank deposit. So that's how quick you get paid with this company. All right, so that's it for this video. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.